Hello, ladies and gentlemen. We're working with Photopea today. Open and place a fish photo onto the fish scales project that you had copied, and you had made a copy of the remove fruit backgrounds PSD. So go into Google Drive here. I have, clicking right here, my fish scale. This is the remove fruit remove background. When I right clicked, I made a copy of it. Okay, make a copy, and then I renamed it. I'm not going to go through that. I'm just going to simply click on fish scales. It's asking me to sign in, which I do not want to. So I'm going to save some time here. Right click, open with, go to Photopea. That's two fingers instead of using the right click mouse button on the touchpad. Two fingers on the touchpad, otherwise using. Right click on the mouse. We are now open this here. You see this border up here, just scroll up so it's not in the way. That way it won't be so frustrating. We have all of our fruit that's been cut out. That's great. I'm going to now go to my file. It's in my Chromebook, so I'm going to go File, Open and Place. I am going to go direct myself to the fish folder that I had set up. I will use my thumbnails here, a little bit easier to work with. I recommend using a fish here, something easy, nice and big. This one's already been cut out. This is an easy one. This one's very nice too. So consider one that's easy to work with. Here we have it. It's all ready for scaling. I will hit enter. And then, first things first, file save, Google Drive, file save as PSD. Fish scales 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you're done with that. Thank you.